G'day guys, welcome back to our little road trip out Broome. Look at that, aren't we lucky? So we're back on the road. We've spent the last 2 months down in Caravan, living in Gantheaume. It's bloody unreal. I don't know whether you've seen the last episode, but if you want to, we'll link it into this. We're currently at Barn Hill Station. Send it up to Broome, so we'll show you a couple little spots. Last night we were down at Pardue, at Caravan Point, I'm pretty sure, and another mint spot which we'll show you in the film later. And yeah, tomorrow's Broome. We'll show you around. Let's go. Morning. 35 degrees most of last night, and expected a top of 39 today. Not looking forward to it, eh, Dad?
No, it's a little bit hot.
So,
Lane had to sleep in our bed.
yeah, we ran the aircon for like an hour or so, but it's going to chew up a bit much battery, so now we're going to just shoot on up to Broome and jump in the Caravan Park for a couple of days while we wait out this heat wave, I think. It's only supposed to be like 32 around this time of year, but at the moment it's like 37, 38. A bit wild. But anyways, yeah, this Barn Hill is like 35 a night for where we are, and we're like literally just over there getting dusted out. And I think all these sites here, they're all powered for 45, so it's not too badly priced, and like you got a sick view out behind you that I probably showed you there last night, and a bit of fishing and whatnot, so not a bad spot to stop on your way up to Broome. We're here, let's go.
So we're at Malcolm Douglas Croc Wildlife Park, and why is that like a big mouthful? It's so cool. They do like a tour. It's only open from 3 till 5. There's a bloody train going past. And it was $20 per person, and lane was free, but
$40 per person.
was it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
She doesn't pay.
I don't pay. But it's really cool. They do a feeding, and then you've just got some time to just roam around and have a look. There's birds and cassowaries, and it's really cool. These ones look like they're either loving or tiffin. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah!
That's why there's so many floats in it. Yeah.
Let's go and have a ginger beer. Matzo's Brewery next, down just near Town Beach, so make most of that.
Oh hell yeah. They do a really good mango beer. Oh look at this guy. He wants to come.
Come on. Let's go.
Laney. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah!
Can you do that? That's it.
Yay!
So what do we want?
What'd you get?
Got the mango beer this time. And it's nice.
Refreshing.
I think I like ginger beer better.
You haven't tried the ginger beer?
No, I have. Like out of the bottle.
Oh.
First impression's quick. Yeah, that's much better.
I like the mango.
Tell me more about it.
Refreshing. Delightful on the tongue.
And tell me about all those other beers you've drank over the years and how good they all are too.
I like the ones with the fruity tones. Like, what's the one that has passion fruit?
The Colonial that I've been drinking.
Has that got passion fruit in it?
Something like
Or what's the one from Byron Bay? Stone and Woods.
Yeah,
They're fruity.
pretty. You'll drink like half a thing and then I'll end up finishing it.
Yeah. But that one's nice.
Well, it's all yours.
You don't like it?
No,
Really? I think it's delightful.
you heard it here first. So we're at Solitary Tree and we didn't do too much research in tides, as you can see. Tide's out, but when the tide's in, this tree here is like surrounded by bright blue water and the tide's like virtually straight down here. So we'll probably come back and show you that in our next little part, because tomorrow we're going to start heading up to James Price and Quandong Point, and at the moment they're like real neat tides too, so that means like there's stuff all movement and they're real low. It's like 6 meters to 4 meters, something like that, whereas when we come back they'll be like 9 meters to 2 meters, so they'll be way out there and way up here. Keep an eye out for that one, eh? Alright, next spot on the agenda today. Something that not many people tell you about when you come to Simpson Beach. They don't show you all this port area and everything that's all along here. They're like, oh my god, it's stunning, it's beautiful. I don't show you all this crap. I mean, it's cool and all. It's nice, but there's plenty of other nice beaches around the area. We probably constantly just sound like Debbie Downers and whatnot, but like some places just aren't worth the hype, I don't think. It's literally just a staircase to a beach overlooking a port, and apparently there's hovercrafts and crocs, so it's like some of the other beaches we've been to around Australia are way better than this, and this is literally just a Instagram hype reel, this, just to say that we've been here. Anyways, I think like we might actually shoot back to the Gantheaume Point and jump in those rock pools because the tide's up, as you can see. Righto. Let's go make most of it, eh?
Good morning. So we are unfortunately camped up in a caravan park, which sucks. We're not a fan. We had our water pump fail for the second time, and it's not under warranty because it's underneath the van under like what is like a check plate. So Joel's replaced that, but we also have no brakes on our Caravan, and Joel can't figure out what's wrong with it. He's like replaced the switches, but no go. No bueno. So we booked in with an auto Alecki, but we can't get in. Lenny just threw a bunny out of the bloody car. Can't get in until Thursday, so it's like 10 or 11 days from now, so which is fine. There's heaps to do in Broome, but not ideal, is it, Dale? We don't really like caravan parks. It's not fun with a toddler. She is so used to like free spots where she can just roam free, whereas now we're telling her off every 2 seconds when she runs onto the road. There's a helicopter, of course they're fucking is. But we are just gonna go to Uno Momento. So we're just gonna go to Gantheaume Point. It's like got a lot of rock pools because the tides are quite high over the next few days. So we're gonna go check out some rock pools and just enjoy the time whilst we're here. And then we'll head north. Hey, it's freaking hot though. It's cooling down a little bit now. I'm like dabbing the lip, the mustache and the chin. Yeah, come along.
So we're at Gantheaume Point and found this little rock pool that is quite famous from what I've seen. We're currently on an outgoing tide, so that's why it's raining so much, but before it was probably about shoulder high on about 9.5 metre tide. There is a few more scattered around here, so you sort of got to pick your time, pick your tide, get in there and just absolutely enjoy it.
Beautiful.
Beautiful little spot. That's it.
So we are just in Broome and we're at Cable Beach and we're watching the camels. I'm so excited! Been hanging for it, but it's so nice right now because there's kind of cooled down a little bit and there's a nice breeze because it's been sweaty fucking Betty. But we're just trying to chill as much as you can chill with a toddler. And there's some camels coming past now. It's really beautiful. Everyone's swimming, but I'm not dipping a toe in.
Not after yesterday.
No, not after seeing the crocodiles yesterday doing a death roll. I was like, no chance in hell.
Oh, okay.
Mama!
Alright.